y'all, welcome back to GlowinNaturally. My name is Cecily, or you could call me Cess. If you are new here, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. Thank you so much for deciding to journey with me in yet another video. If you have not done so yet, please hit that subscribe button, and please turn on that bell notification so you are notified when I do post another video. So y'all, in this video I will be telling you five reasons why you should get locked, okay? Why you should start your locks. So first things first, I believe that you should get locks if you clicked on this video, okay? If you are still watching this video, you should get locks because 9 times out of 10 that means you're thinking about it, and I just feel like you should just go ahead and do it and stop looking for reasons why you should get locked, although I'm making a video as to why you should get locked, but that is just a hint right there. So yes, I think that's number one, y'all. Like, if you are researching and you're looking and you're just like, why should I get locks? Should I get locks? Should I not? Should I do it? I think I'm gonna do it. I think you should just go ahead and do it. Just go ahead and do it. But let's just get into reason number 2, okay? It's easy maintenance, y'all. Locks are very easy maintenance. I have had my hair in all types of styles, and I will say that this is the easiest one that I have had, only because I don't have to maintain my hair that often. Emphasis on have to. Do I? Yes. But I don't have to maintain my hair, because locks, a lot of people just don't think that locks should always be so nice, clean, and nice and proper, you know. I mean, if y'all didn't see my 2-strand twist salon visit, y'all can go ahead and see that, and you can see me do it myself. You can see her do it, or you can see me do it myself, whichever you choose. They're both available. They will be down in the description box below. They are easy to maintain. You can wash them and not even retwist them. You could keep them up as long as you can. Like right now, this is week, I think this is going on week 3. And this is already one style. The next style will just be it down, and that'll be 2 months that I don't have to go back to get a retwist, okay? So it's very easy to maintain. As long as you wear your scarf at night, you will be good, and you'll be able to maintain your hair. And I learned that lesson because I really hated wearing scarves at the beginning of my journey, and I realized I would have to retwist my hair a lot because I wasn't wearing my scarf. But I learned my lesson, and baby, we almost 3 weeks in. We basically 3 weeks in. So easy to maintain. 3, your coin. You'll save your coin. I'll say this. When I was a loose natural, I spent a lot of money on products, y'all. When I was relaxed, I spent a lot of money going to the salon. I've gone to the salon twice since I've been locked, and that is in the last year. Those 3, basically you really need 3 products to do your hair. Water, oil, and a gel if you want to use a gel to retwist your hair. You don't need that much to maintain your hair. You don't need that much to maintain your locks. You will keep the same products for every 6 to 12 months. You don't have to keep going to buy it. You don't even have to keep going to get retwist. Your hair can last months without getting your retwist. You really want to maintain if you maintain your hair well, you don't need to keep getting it done. However, I will say, to start your locks, it could cost a pretty penny if you go to a loctician. I went to a loctician. I spoke a lot about that in my very first video about my locks. I'll link it below. But I spent a lot of money on starting them, but it's worth it because I can see my grid. I can see my scalp when I know the angles in which to do my hair. So real quick, if you do start your locks, I think you should start with the loctician. You don't have to. That's just my opinion. It'll make it very easy to maintain if you choose to maintain your hair by yourself. Was that number 3? Dang. So number 4, I believe that locks are very versatile. Regardless of what people may say, locks are versatile. You can do a lot with your locks. I personally, even when I was a loose natural, I really didn't do that many styles, but as I'm locked, I'm trying to get more comfortable doing styles and testing out styles. So there are so many styles that you can do with your hair. Y'all, you can style your hair. You can do different things to your hair. And then there's different hairstyles I can't wait to try when my locks get longer. I don't think a lot of people have boxed people in with locks, but and I'm not gonna lie, like, I guess I could do a misconceptions video about locks, but because I've had them. I was the one who had misconceptions about locks, and now I have locks. So anyway, they're very versatile. You can do a lot with your locks. Contrary, if you just go to Instagram and just type in lock hairstyles, you will find a lot of, and I'll post it right here, you will find a lot of styles that people have worn with their locks. They're very versatile. You can have them up, you can have them down, you could walk around with 2 strands, you can have crinkly, you can have different colors, you can do whatever to your locks. They're so versatile. And then the last reason why you should get locks is because the community. Beautiful. It's beautiful. I will just say locks are beautiful, but it also feels good to be part of a community that embraces you. I will say, when I was a loose natural, not to come for people who are loose naturals, because I was once one, but I will say it just felt like nothing but competition when you was a loose natural on social media. It was just like, oh, this texture mattered but this texture didn't, or this texture looked good and this texture didn't. But honestly, with locks, I'm not gonna say they all look the same, but with locks, when you see somebody with locks, it's like you guys look at each other and you're like, I like your hair. It's like a connection when you're in public. I don't know if it's just me. If you have locks, can you please let me know if that's how you feel when you're walking out in public, you see somebody else with locks and you're just like, I see you. It's like you're part of like a secret society that no one else knows about, but everybody does know about because a lot of people have locks. But anyway, so yes, I just think the community is beautiful. You'll be embraced. The journey that comes with being locked, it's beautiful. It's just a beautiful journey. It's a beautiful journey overall, okay? From beginning to end, you embrace yourself at all stages and phases, and I definitely talked about that in my last update video. I didn't want this video to be that long, but I just wanted to let you know that if you stopped here on this here video, you should get locks. And that's all I'm gonna say about it. Period, poo. Period. Go ahead, lock your hair, and then come back here and tell me, oh, I'm 1 month locked, or I'm 2 weeks locked, or I'm 3 months locked. I don't care how soon you tell me, just tell me so I can see your journey. I can follow you on Instagram. I can see your pictures of your hair and your beautiful locks, because they're going to be beautiful. If you haven't started, start. Just go ahead and do it. At the end of the day, it's hair and you can, if you want to, comb them out, but you're not going to want to unless there are serious like health issues down the road, or if there's anything that you might be going through that you just want to cut your locks off. You can. A lot of people do, just to start over, but I don't think once you get them, you'll be like, ooh, I feel good. It's a different type of beautiful you feel with your locks. I don't know. I just feel good. I just feel good with my locks. So I think that's why you should get locks. And yes, y'all, just a quick little video that I wanted to just give y'all. But if you have not done so yet, please hit the subscribe button. Actually, please let me know why you think people should get locks, or why you feel someone else should get locks, or even if you haven't gotten locks, tell me why you want to get locks, okay, or why you're searching for it, because you came here for a reason. So yes, you've gotten to the end of this video. If you have not done so yet, please subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you are notified again when I post another video. All right, y'all, I will see you in my next one.